sa exam para sa honest kinaganahan sila to. O sa dili ko honest, nakalay manubag ko niya, kaya di ko matulog. Ayun. Kabalo mo, sa una, sa among panahon, wala yung inani, wala yung certificate, pero palangga man mo ni Algin. Ibuhatan mo Certificate of Participation. Amen. So, tawag ko na yung pangalan. Please come in front and get your certificate. Certificate of Participation present to Christian Bronda, the church in Magsaysay. Congratulations. Certificate of Participation present to Hannah Jean Rekla, the church in Solong.
Wow!
Certificate of Participation present to Cedric Franco, the church in Solong. Mulai kawan, kita lah. Sudah mendapat bagai bab di nama. Certificate of Participation present to James Clay Barque, the church in Magsaysay. Certificate of Participation present to John Lloyd Tali, the church in Don Marcelino. Kalian berlampang ya? Certificate of Participation present to Junmar Corises, the church in Bansalan. Certificate of Participation present to John Lee Galindo, the church in Digo City.
Digo City.
Certificate of Participation present to Rene Castañares. Certificate of Participation present to Christian Pronda. Oh, doon. Mga iso, kung sa'y point, anong gitagaan sila ni? Sa'y point dito.
Training.
Sa'y point.
Dili naman sila ka-graduate doon ani nga mga level. Kay mag-PTO naman sila. So inig uli nila pag sa 6 months mga igsoon, automatic na nga mahimo silang coordinators o teachers. Kung ato na lang silang i-recognize nga naka-participate sila ani nga SSLT mga igsoon. Sige, out. Wala nakatan.
So, ay, Mike Son,